Hey everyone, let me get straight to the point. QubitsCube is most likely just another Ponzi scheme, one of those crypto schemes that pop up daily. Right off the bat, I don't recommend this platform. In fact, I recently shared a video on how to spot and avoid these kinds of crypto Ponzi schemes, and QubitsCube checks all the boxes. Save yourself the time, save your money, and stay away from this kind of scheme. Now, if you're genuinely interested in building a sustainable income, I'd recommend looking into affiliate marketing. It does take a bit of investment, around $50 a month, and some effort, but with step-by-step training, it's possible to build up to a four-figure monthly income. All right, now let's break down QubitsCube in a bit more detail. So, what is QubitsCube? It's one of those platforms that promises big returns on your investment. Sounds great on paper, right? But dig a little deeper, and it starts to look shady. First off, there's almost zero transparency about who actually runs QubitsCube. There's no info on the team, no clear breakdown of how they're supposedly making money, and that's a big red flag. Any legit platform would be upfront about these things. QubitsCube, on the other hand, leaves us guessing. And let's talk about those high returns. It's the usual pitch, big payouts with little effort. But when you hear promises that sound way too good to be true, it's usually because they are. These high-return promises are typical for platforms that don't have anything real going on behind the scenes. Here's the reality. Platforms like this often disappear once they've collected enough money. We've all seen it happen. People get excited by the promise of easy cash, then one day the site's gone and so is their money. So, bottom line? Be careful. If you're going to invest in anything, only use money you're willing to lose, and don't jump in just because of big promises. Do your own research and look for platforms with real transparency and reputation. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Be smart with your investments, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.